According to DENR Administrative Order 2014-02, entitled Revised Guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation, the managing head of the establishment shall appoint or designate a pollution control officer for the establishment, as exemplified in Section 7, Appointment or Designation of PCOs. The pollution control officer shall seek accreditation also to DNR Environmental Management Bureau Regional Office within 15 days from the date of appointment or designation. The appointed or designated PCO shall secure accreditation from EMB Regional Office through online PCO application system. You can visit pco.emb.gov.ph for the application for accreditation. In the online application system, you must have your account. The creation of account in the online PC application, you just click sign up button and then fill out this registration form. Tick I agree to the terms and then push the button register. The system will send notification and instruction on how to activate the created account. Once activated, you can now enter into your account to submit your application for accreditation. But one of the pertinent requirement for applying for accreditation is the proof of the appointee's qualification, such as certificate of training of basic PCO training. And for the managing head of the establishment, 8 hours training on environmental management covering the basic environmental laws, rules and regulations, and the duties and responsibilities of the PCO as provided in Section 10 of this order. And so therefore, the appointed or designated PCO must attend the prescribed training as indicated in Section 6, Qualification Requirements for PCO. Item number 1, Basic Qualification, letter C. I read and I quote, has completed the basic PCO training course by an EMB recognized training organization or institution within the last 3 years. So this is the basic qualification for pollution control officer. Has completed the basic PCO training course. So the JP Environment Consultancy Services or JPEX, an EMB recognized training institution, will be conducting a basic PCO training on May 12 to 15, 2026 at El Grande Residencia Hotel and Resort, Barangay San Carlos, Lipa City, Batangas. So there will be a basic PCO training on May 12 to 15, 2026 in Lipa City, Batangas. You can coordinate through the number 0917-360-1178 or 0998-543-5466. You can also send email to jpex2019 at gmail.com. jpex2019 at gmail.com. The training for pollution control officer is very important because it satisfies the basic qualification for PCO. And in Section 8, it is one of the requirement for PCO accreditation.